Functions in Python may take arguments. This function sum adds values of a and b together and returns the sum. 2 plus 3 is 5, but it cannot simply add 2 to nothing else. We can provide a keyword argument when making a call to this function, and we can also declare a default value for b. So it adds 2 to 3 and returns 5. This one takes a variable number of arguments and uses a list comprehension to unpack them, then returns the sum of all the items in the list. Let's delete sum so we can use the inbuilt version. 3 and 4 and 5 add up to 12. Let's take on some challenges. Counting arguments. Write a function of variable arity, one that takes any number of arguments. Make it return the number of arguments it receives in a call. This function count can take any number of arguments and returns the length of this arbitrary argument. This way we determine how many arguments it received. Without an argument, the number of arguments is 0. Here it has 2 arguments and here 3 arguments. Joining paths. Write a function that takes parts of a path and joins them using forward slashes. This function takes any number of paths to join. In a list comprehension, it takes each path while removing a forward slash from the front or back of it, if already there. It joins these values with a forward slash. Wherever the result, it adds a forward slash to its end and returns it. This gives us users. This joins Ayushi ahead of users, and this one adds Ayushi / desktop ahead of users, all while maintaining proper usage of forward slashes.